So many businesses run into this problem. Turning quotes for customers into actual sales orders.
Right.
And it can be a real headache, bogs things down.
Absolutely. A lot of wasted time there.
Yeah, for sure. Well, we're going to take a deep dive into how to fix that today.
Sounds good.
And we have Kirti Goswami with us, an associate functional consultant over at Tiana Solutions.
Okay, great.
And Kirti has been in the ERP world for 6 years now, helping all sorts of clients across all the Acumatica editions too.
Wow, so she's seen it all.
Pretty much. Yeah, I mean, over 240 unique scenarios in 25 reports and 40 GIs.
That's a lot of experience.
For sure. The big thing we're tackling here is how to get that, quote, smoothly turned into a sales order.
Right, within the system itself.
Yeah, in Acumatica. And Kirti actually shows us the way to do it directly.
So no more retyping everything and making mistakes.
Exactly. It's all about saving time and making sure things are accurate.
Love it. That's what ERP is all about, right?
So she starts off in the sales order screen.
Okay.
And she picks QT as the order type.
Gotcha. So that's how it knows it's a quote.
Yeah, exactly. That's all the usual stuff. Customer info. The items they want, how many of each.
The basics.
Yeah. It's important to keep it separate from an actual sales order at this point.
Right, because you don't want the system thinking it's a done deal yet.
Exactly. It's just a quote for now. So then she saves it.
Okay.
And it gets a quote number QT0934 in this case.
So now it's official.
Right. And this is where it gets really interesting.
Okay.
So traditionally, you'd have to create a whole new sales order manually when the customer says yes.
Yeah, type everything all over it.
Total pain.
Yeah.
But Kirti shows us a much faster way. She copies the existing quote, the QT0934.
Interesting.
But here's the key. During the copy process, she changes the order type.
Oh, I see. So it's not a quote anymore.
Nope. It becomes SO, a regular sales order.
Clever, just like that.
And there are even some options for recalculating the prices or discounts.
Oh, that's important.
Yeah. So you can either stick with what was on the quote or update things if needed.
It makes sense. Sometimes prices change,
Exactly. Or you might have negotiated a different deal. So she picks the option she wants, and boom, a new sales order.
Wow.
And all the info from the quote is already there.
No more retyping. That's huge for accuracy.
For sure, and it saves so much time.
You can really see how this would add up over time.
Absolutely. Well, Kirti takes a quick look over the new sales order, just to be safe.
Always a good idea.
Yep, and then she saves it, and it gets its own new sales order number.
Perfect. So now it's a real order in the system.
Exactly. So to sum up, it's all about starting as a quote with that QT type, then copying it over, changing it to SO for a sales order, checking the prices and saving.
And all that info just comes right over?
Just like that. Now, if you're thinking this sounds like a great way to improve your own business processes,
yeah, who wouldn't be?
You need to check out Tiana Solutions.
They're the experts, right?
Absolutely. They're the largest services partner with Acumatica Cloud ERP.
And they've got folks like Kirti on their team.
Experienced consultants who really know their stuff.
So they can help with the whole implementation process.
And they can customize it to fit your specific needs.
That's so important. Every business is different.
Exactly. So if you want to streamline things like we just talked about with those quotes and sales orders,
definitely worth a conversation.
Give them a call. Tiana Solutions at 678-910-2774.
I'll bet they can help a lot of businesses get more efficient.